Amy and I have been together for 40 years.
40 years.
40 years.
And we've been married 37, but we've been together 41. This month
41 years.
No, February is 41, yeah.
Yeah, oh yeah. Hi, I'm David Cristiano.
Hi, I'm Amy Cristiano. We built this house in 2000 and we raised all 4 of our boys here, so the memories are, you know, incredible.
This home means everything to us.
Hi, this is Ryan Burke with GarageExperts. We're here in Satellite Beach, Florida for a beautiful garage makeover. So GarageExperts is a franchise-based model. We have over 100 franchises in the United States, and we install our Garage FX epoxy and polyaspartic flooring in residential, industrial, and commercial applications. We also install and design custom storage solutions for customers.
It was total chaos. Our garage was total chaos. We couldn't find anything. We were cleaning our garage probably once every couple months, but it always looked the same.
I'm moving tubs to get to this, to that, or I can't find what I know is there, and so then I go buy it again.
We refreshed the rest of our house, but never really worked on the garage, so we decided that we were going to organize our garage.
The Cristianos came to us with a failing concrete coating that had been previously installed, as well as many storage issues.
Living in Florida, we get a lot of sideways rain, we get hurricanes, and I know it protects the cement, so, you know, that was a big thing, was to protect our floor. So some of the questions I had prior to doing the install was time, like how long it would take, how long it would last.
What type of cabinets, what could I fit in the cabinets? Ryan with GarageExperts customized some cabinet solutions for us based on our needs.
We used our Cabinet Vision CAD design software to create a 3D rendering of what their garage will look like with the new storage and flooring installed.
Ryan really listened to us. We're gonna get some great customized cabinets.
Their garage is now going to be easy to clean with one of our Garage FX blended brindle systems, and gorgeous. The cabinet system is going to take care of all their needs, keep everything tucked away behind closed doors, and they're going to be very happy with the result.
I believe after GarageExperts is gone, I'll feel better about when I get in my car to leave. I'll feel like I don't have to come home this weekend and clean the garage again. It's organized, and I'll be able to find everything I need.
The first step in installing our Garage FX epoxy and polyaspartic flooring is to first remove the failing coating. We're going to diamond grind to remove that failing big box system that was on the ground and to open up the pores of the concrete. The second step is we're going to fix any cracks, divots, and imperfections in the concrete that are going to show through our system. Third, we're going to install our Garage FX industrial grade epoxy primer. The fourth step is to flake into the primer. What we do is call a full broadcast system, or flake to rejection. It creates a textured floor system at the end. Once the epoxy and the flake have been put on the ground, we allow that to cure and bond to the concrete. Once that has occurred, we use large roofing style scrapers to scrape back the flake to a textured finish. Final step of the process is for us to apply our industrial grade double build polyaspartic clear coat over the top of the system. That provides a anti-slip, UV stable, scratch resistant, and chemical resistant coating. Once our Garage FX epoxy and polyaspartic flooring has cured, then we can begin installing the storage that the Cristianos had chosen.
Oh, wow, that looks great. Wow. Looks really good.
That's amazing.
It's a great feeling that we can transform that space into an extension of their home that becomes a usable area where before it was dirty, grimy, and cluttered.
It was amazing. The GarageExperts, they just exceeded any expectation that we had, and everything from the beginning to the end went smoothly.
They really didn't interrupt our daily routines.
When our kids saw the garage, they came in later after we saw it, and they were blown away. They're like, this is amazing.
I'll take some pictures and show all my friends at work, and I'll highly recommend GarageExperts.
Yep, 100%.
To learn more about GarageExperts and what they can do to transform and improve your home or business, visit GarageExperts.com or visit us at designingspaces.tv for more information.